Bonjour, this is another video on GCSE Speaking exam practice, this time based on theme 1, topic 3, free time and media. We're going to try to answer this question. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger d'habitude? Ou qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? So we will try to answer it at the highest level possible. So let's start. Before I start, remember there is a support guide available with every single GCSE video that I produce. So click on the join button below and check Learn French with Alexa, my awesome course, which is complete. Anyway, let's try to answer qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? So part of the GCSE and one of the topic is all about food and healthy eating. So you've got to tell the examiner whether you eat healthily, what you do sports-wise, and etc., what you do during your free time. And this question is very much based on knowing your vocabulary on food. So what I do advise you to do is try to learn vocab of food. How do I say chicken? How do I say fish? How do I say fruits and veg? How do I say meat? How do I say fast food? How do I say all these things? Now, by the way, I have videos on a vocabulary list of food that may come useful to you. So do watch them, okay? So, qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? So it's in the present tense. I'm going to stick with the present tense until the last sentence. Remember that you show the examiner that you understand the question, you answer it well as you can, and then you add that difficulty as well, okay? So, qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? En général, j'aime manger des repas équilibrés et des aliments sains. Donc, je mange souvent des fruits et des légumes. Mais une fois par mois, je vais au McDo pour acheter un burger et des frites. Je sais que ce n'est pas bon pour la santé, mais ce n'est pas grave car je ne le fais pas souvent. D'ailleurs, j'irai au McDo samedi avec mes amis. Okay, so it's not a hard answer that, but it shows a lot of aptitude to learning, to speak French here. So why is the examiner going to like this answer? So let's have a look. En général, okay, so we are starting with en général. You can start with d'habitude, usually. Normalement, that works too, okay. J'aime manger des repas équilibrés. I like to eat. What do I like to eat? Repas. Now, learn these little words by heart. They will or might come up during a listening practice, or exam, and writing exam or reading exam. All these little words that you might not know are very, very relevant, okay? J'aime manger des repas équilibrés. I love to eat balanced meals, okay? Et des aliments sains. And sane, I mean healthy food, okay? Aliments sains. But equally, you could say, j'aime manger sainement. You know, using the adverb of sain, which means healthily, okay? Donc, okay, we do like conjunction, so mais, ou, et, donc, or, ni, car. Please learn them by heart. Please, please, please. Donc, je mange souvent. Here's another adverb, okay? Je mange souvent. And what do I eat often? Des fruits, some fruits, et des légumes. Okay, so fruits and veg, fruits et légumes. So je mange souvent des fruits et des légumes. I often eat fruits and vegetables. So again, that's two words you need to know. Fruit is hard to pronounce. Okay, try to practice. Je mange souvent des fruits et des légumes. But equally, you could say je n'aime pas ou je déteste les fruits. Je déteste les légumes. Je ne mange jamais. I never eat. Je ne mange jamais de fruits ou de légumes. Par exemple, okay, it's up to you what you want, and try to make your answer relevant to your own life as well, which means that you will remember your answer a bit better. Okay, so, mais, une fois par mois. Again, learn these phrases like once a month, twice a week, etc. So, once, une fois. Twice, deux fois. Three times, trois fois. 4 fois. 5 fois, etc., etc. And then per is par. So, une fois par semaine, once a week. Une fois par mois, 2 fois par mois, etc., etc. Okay, here it's once a month. What do I do once a month? Je vais au McDo. I go to McDonald's. Pour acheter, in order to. That's very important, this one. It comes back quite a lot in my answers. In order to buy a burger and frites, chips. OK. Mais une fois par mois, je m'autorise, I authorize myself. Je m'autorise un burger et des frites. You can say that as well. It works, you know. Je m'autorise un burger et des frites. OK? So, je sais. And then you carry on. Again, you can stop here if you feel that this is all you can deliver. Okay, stop here. But then add the difficulty, the sentence within that sentence or the sentence afterwards. Okay? Je sais que. I know that. Je sais que. Ce n'est pas bon. So here we're breaking down c'est. So here have a look, c'est. And how do you say it is not? Ce n'est pas. So, ce n'est pas bon pour la santé. It is not good for your health. Ce n'est pas bon pour la santé. Again, santé, learn that word by heart. So there are words such as repas, which would be very good for you to learn. Santé, in that is really good for you to learn. And grave, possibly, it is not grave as it's not a big problem. It's not a big deal, okay, in that case. If you want to say it is a big deal, c'est grave. It's not, ce n'est pas grave, okay? So, mais ce n'est pas grave, okay? Ce n'est pas grave. Again, try to learn this together. C'est grave. It's grave. It's important. It's a big deal. Ce n'est pas grave. It's the opposite, okay? So why isn't it a big deal? Because... Car, okay, je ne le fais pas souvent. This is the difficulty here. You're doing two things. You are putting je fais in the negation, je ne fais pas, I don't do, and not only that, you are adding a pronoun here. Je ne le fais pas souvent, meaning I don't do it often. And the it refers to me going to McDonald's and eating a burger and chips, okay? So, je ne fais pas ça souvent, I don't do that a lot, ou je ne fais pas, ou je ne vais pas au McDonald's souvent, but le refers to the whole thing, going to McDo and buying chips and, burger. Okay, so je ne le fais pas souvent. I don't often do that, okay? Je ne le fais pas souvent. And again, if you manage to deliver the sentence properly without a mistake, bonus point. It's super, super. Actually, I'm going to write a star here. I think, no, this is my star. Way, that's my star. Je ne le fais pas souvent. Okay, so let's have a look at the end of the question. And now I've got to erase that, which I'm thoroughly enjoying, by the way. Here we go. So, d'ailleurs, please learn that. You could say, en fait, in fact, that works too. J'irai au McDo samedi avec mes amis. So where is the difficulty here? If you can say, I will go to the McDo Saturday with my friends, it's fine. Au McDo samedi avec mes amis is not really complex. But j'irai is where you're going to get your points here. The examiner can say, this person can conjugate to go in the future tense. And we like that very much. So I'm going to put lots of marks here, lots of points, okay? So, j'irai, I will go. So try to learn I go, je vais. Try to learn I went, je suis allé. And try to learn I will go, j'irai, okay? Just these three. That's all you need, okay? Because that will take you a long way, okay? So this is my answer on the question, qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? Of course, this is only a suggestion. You can make your own and try to choose, take your pick on what you think is relevant here in this answer. Okay? That's it for me. Follow me on Instagram. And also look at the playlist on all the GCSE videos that I produce. They're super cool and I think very useful for you and the exam, regardless whether it's speaking, reading, and what else is it? Listening and writing, because ultimately these speaking answers will be relevant for your writing, okay? And you get to learn a lot of other vocabulary words where they think. Ok, that's it pour me. Au revoir, à bientôt. Bisous, bisous.